spread between the Caspian lowland in the west, the Ustyurt Plateau in the south, the Turan lowland in the southeast, and the southern spurs of the Urals in the north. The Aktobe region is a unique corner of the world, striking with a variety of landscapes. Plains cut by valleys of rivers and lakes, hilly sands, hills and mountains. All this can be found here in the largest region of western Kazakhstan. In the Kromtau district of the Aktobe region, there is a geological section of AIDARLYASHA. This place is full of mysteries and puzzles. More than 300 million years ago, there lived ancient wondrous animals whose remains are now stored in the seams of sandstone and limestone. The length of the cut is 1.5 kilometers. In 1996, it was awarded the status of global stratotype. In another part of the region, you can find almost Martian-like landscapes. Among scientists, there is still no consensus on when exactly the crater ZHAMANSHIN appeared. Some believe that it is more than 1 million years old. Others insist on an even more ancient origin, more than 50 million years, when a large meteorite fell here. Now this place is very popular among tourists. Not far from the crater is the YYRGYZ-TOGAI State Nature Reserve, on an area of more than 700,000 hectares. 250 bird species, 29 mammal species, 14 reptile species, and 4 amphibian species can be found. More than 10 species of fish live in the lakes of the YYRGYZ-TOGAI system. And in the southern part of the reserve, you can meet a steppe antelope, the saiga. In addition, in these picturesque places, you can meet migrating pink flamingos. One of the most picturesque and mysterious places of the Aktobe region is the Cretaceous Mountains of the Aktobe in the Bagainen district. Dome-shaped and pointed peaks are joined by ridges or are divided by gorges. Nature itself has created terraces, pits, labyrinths, columns, ledges, and niches here. One of the mountains reminds of a one-humped camel with its head proudly raised. The other looks like a mushroom. If the eastern slope of the Aktobe is gently sloping, then the western slope is steep, followed by a canyon. If you look from a height, you get the impression of an enormous amphitheater. Steppe Switzerland calls the locals a picturesque place in the KARGALY district. Every year, thousands of tourists come here to be alone with nature. Here you can observe the unique process of breeding sturgeon, as well as improve your health in a pantotherapy. But the nature of the Martuk district has been given conifer forests, pure springs, and rare species of plants that have medicinal properties. There is a year-round camp for lovers of winter and ecotourism. Welcome to Aktobe.